Hey everybody, my name is Lisa Rehurek, and I am giving a shout out to Andrea Brundage with Simple Organized Solutions. Andrea did some organizing for me, and I just wanted to talk about that experience and how great it was. I had actually originally hired her to come in and to help me with my closet. I had gotten a new closet done, and I just didn't have time um, to put everything back in there. I was running out of time, and so I reached out to her and said, "Is this something that you do?" And she said, "Of course." So she came in and put everything back in my closet and did it so much more efficiently and amazingly than I would have done, and had some really great tips and tricks for me. So that was amazing. But in that process, I was like, "Oh my God, so my office is a hot mess." I had just moved in a year ago, so it shouldn't have been that disorganized. And in my mind at the time, I was like, well, I've got some piles of stuff. Um, I think I want you to come in and help me just get that back under control. And what's so funny is that she absolutely did that. She came and she helped me get that back under control. But there's so much more to it than that. And you don't really realize it when you're hiring somebody to do that kind of stuff. You think they're just going to come in and take your piles of stuff and put it in a better organized fashion. But she thinks through it in a very functional way. And so instead of just taking my closet and saying, hey, let's organize this, or my closet being my office supply closet in this instance. And so instead of just, getting all the piles out of there and organizing and throwing things away, she really thinks through the functionality of that closet. And what do you need? How are you going to use things? What do you access the most? What needs to be closer to you on your desk? Because I've got kind of a big office that spans 2 rooms. She's just really brilliant at seeing that big picture and then pulling it all back together. And what's so amazing is that I didn't have to worry about any of that. Was I involved? Of course, because I have to be able to, say yay or nay and throw things away and all of that. But she led the process. She instructed me. I just was there to throw things away, make decisions, and she did the rest. So I would highly, highly, highly recommend Andrea. She's so pleasant and fun to work with too. And I think that anybody that needs a little bit of extra help, it's a no-brainer. So definitely give her a call. All right, bye.